Okay guys, I want to show you a little bit more about what Pages word processing can do, show you some tricks. So the first thing I want to show you is that I've got some text that I want to get rid of up here. I'm writing a story, so I could highlight this text and press delete to get rid of it, but if I'm going to type something else in there, there's no need to do that. I can just start typing and it will automatically replace anything that I'm typing over, anything that I've highlighted. So to press delete is kind of an extra step that you don't need to do. Alright, now the other thing I want to show you is that when we're working, we can look at some of these margins to the page. So there's a few different ways you can do this. One thing is that I can highlight text and I've got different ways that text can be aligned. So I can align it, at the moment it's aligned to the left hand margin. We can align it to the center, to the right hand margin, or it could just go all the way across. Alright, so we'll stick to how it was, or actually for my title I'm going to put it in the center. Alright, now the other thing that I want to look at is the page margins. If I go right up to the top here and grab the grey margin, that's going to say how far anything can go on the page. Same on this side, if I go up the top and grab the grey margin, it's going to push everything on the page into this center section that's in between these two grey lines. So it literally means, the grey one literally means nothing can go past that point. If I come now to the blue margin, the blue margin says that a particular paragraph or set of paragraphs can be anywhere on the inside, but they can't go any further across. When you get to that point of the grey, it can't go any further across unless you grab the whole thing. You come up and grab the whole grey margin and pull it further across. Okay, so one more thing to think about is when you're clicked on a paragraph, this little top cap here, this guy is the indent. And once you've set it that it indents a certain space, on your next paragraph, that indent will work the same. So that just gives you a nice clean line and you can see where your paragraphs start clearly with the indent. Alright, once again, one other thing that I'd like to show you is that you can grab text. Let's say this was a paragraph that I wanted to be further up in my story. Instead of deleting it and rewriting it, what I can do is I can highlight it, then come again with the mouse and grab it, and you can drag it to where you want it to go. So if I want it to go up here, I can drag it up and let go, and I have reset my story or put things in a different order without having to rewrite anything. So that's called drag and drop. So if I was writing away and I realized that once upon a time has to come first, and this is actually the second paragraph, instead of rewriting it, I highlight it, grab it, drag it down, and let it go when I'm happy with where it is. So you're wasting time, and someone who's watching you will think you don't know how to use word processing properly if you're continually deleting stuff and rewriting it. Just grab it and drag and drop, and that's all I'm going to show you for today.